damo ang utang ko sa Aquino family. Nag-upisa ako pagka-Secretary of Labor, Justice Secretary, Executive Secretary, bangod kay Cory. I was a Senator and Senate President because of PNP. And many of most of the improvements and programs that I brought here is because of the support of Pinoy and Cory. So, madako ang akong utang sa Aquino family. Ako'y na, ginapangayo ko sa inyo nga buligan nyo man kung mabayaran ang akong utang sa Aquino family by voting for Bam Aquino and returning him to the Senate. So, sa akon, why na sa ibang qualified, they can stand toe-to-toe with anyone in this field. They can stand toe-to-toe to compare how they have performed in the past to be entitled of your support. I suspect that the reason why the President is not calling a special session is political. Why? Because it doesn't take much intelligence. You do the trial of the impeachment court before the election. All these guys are subject to pressure. Subject to pressure from all sides. Now, who would have the greatest influence would probably be able to get the result that they want. So is that a fair situation? No. My thinking is that the trial and the decision should take place after the election. Talo ang taong bayan pag ang trial ay mangyayari bago maghalalan. Dahilan po ang desisyon ng impeachment court bago maghalalan does not necessarily reflect the evidence presented, but the political pressure and consideration that goes with the decision that each central judge will make.